I'm Carl E. Stewart, Chief Judge of the United States Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals. Our court is headquartered in New Orleans, Louisiana, in the John Minor Wisdom Courthouse. I'm very pleased to provide an introduction to a video that has been prepared by the Bar Association of the Fifth Federal Circuit. The overarching goal of our court is to make practice in our court as user-friendly as possible. Our court has federal appellate jurisdiction from all the district courts in 3 states, Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi. We have over 30,000 active attorneys admitted to practice before our court. Thus, we're very concerned about making the work in the court, whether oral arguments or filings, as user-friendly as possible. The video that's been prepared provides some very helpful information about administrative matters as well as case-related information that should be of great help to a practitioner who's coming to our court. There is a detailed information piece provided by our clerk of court, Lyle Casey, and that information from him gives very helpful information in preparing a case. I'm pleased and grateful to the Bar Association of the Fifth Federal Circuit for joining us in an effort to make practice in the Fifth Circuit a comfortable and meaningful experience. I encourage all lawyers, whether they've practiced for a long time or just beginning, to view this video. I have no doubt that they will find very helpful tips in the video. Thank you very much.
The courthouse itself opens at 8 o'clock. Check-in for oral argument is up till 8:30. Please get here on time. When you go through security, you will need your ID. You will also have to take off your belt. You'll also have to put anything else through the usual security routine. And your phone will be put off. Your phone will stay off until you exit the building.
Hi, welcome to the Fifth Circuit.
Thank you. Good
Which
morning.
case are you here for?
Jones versus Jones.
Okay, you Mr. Richard?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
All right, I have you down as the appellant. That's for you, and that's for you. You'll be in the East Courtroom, which is on the 2nd floor, room 223. Take the elevators up, take a right, it's at the very end of the hallway. I have you down, Mr. Richard, as the appellant. 15 minutes to open and 5 for rebuttal.
That's
and you
good.
can proceed to the courtroom.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
All rise. Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. The United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit is now open according to law. God save the United States and this honorable court.
The first case on this morning's docket is Jones versus Jones. Mr. Richard?
May it please the court, my name is Don Richard and I represent the appellant in this case.
Counsel is now at the podium, prepared to deliver his oral argument. It's important to stand tall, speak loudly, clearly, and slowly. There are several things on the podium to guide your way. There's both a lighting system and a timing system. While the green light is on, you go. You proceed forward with your argument. But when the amber light in the center comes on, that signals that you have 2 minutes left prior to the end of your argument. And when the red light comes on, it is an absolute stop, even mid-sentence. Your argument is over and you may not continue unless the judges invite you to do so. You'll notice that simultaneously a clock is ticking backwards, telling you how much time you have left to deliver your argument. One final note, if you are the appellant and also delivering a rebuttal argument, the lights will go straight from green to red and you will not get a 2-minute amber warning. At the conclusion of your argument, you may choose to stay and listen to subsequent arguments, or you may choose to leave if you like. We do ask, however, that if you choose to leave at that time while court is still proceeding, please do so quietly. You'll notice that both the entry gate and the doors to the courtroom itself are very large and can swing very loudly, so please use care to close them softly. In addition, once in the hallway, please do not hold a conference with your clients or co-counsel to discuss the case. The judges and the other occupants in the courtroom can still hear you, so you'd be wise to either proceed to one of the attorney lounges or to the Fifth Circuit Bar Association office. If your case is not the first one to be called, you may wait in an attorney lounge. There are 3 identical attorney lounges, one next to each courtroom. You'll notice a numbering system in the lounge itself that tells you which case is presently being argued. When that case moves into the rebuttal phase, that is when the number will flip to the next case number. It's very important, however, not to rely exclusively on this numbering system, as sometimes cases settle or are not argued for another reason. You may have to present your argument sooner than you expected.